Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Netflix. Your device isn't part of the Netflix household. It will work on your phone, on PC, and on TV as well. So simply what you need to do here, you just need to completely close Netflix on your device. Then you need to just disable your internet. I'm using Ethernet, so I just need to disable my internet with network connections. But if you're using Wi-Fi here, you can disable Wi-Fi, or on phone, just go with the airplane mode, right? Then what you need to do here is to open Netflix, and then you just need to re-enable your internet connection, right? And then you need to wait for a couple of seconds. And after that, Netflix should relaunch and it should fix your problem. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.